Welcome to JAWS Tech Piping Solution. The sample measurement tape. The manufacturer or brand name is Stanley Powerlock. The measurement tape total length 5 meter or 16 feet. This detail are stickered in measurement tape cover side. The metal tip at the end of your tape measure is a little bit loose for a reason. This is not an error. It is meant to provide you with accurate readings whether you are measuring the inside or outside edges of a surface. Our sample measurement tape have two side measurement. One side is English system, that is in inches, feet. Other side is metric system, that is centimeter, meter. Some of the conversion factor equivalent value. 1 meter equal to 3.28 feet. 1 meter equal to 39.37 inches. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 foot equal to 12 inches. 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. Our measurement tape marking is exactly in 30. That means 30 centimeter. This equivalent other value 300 mm. Other equivalent value 0.3 meter. Our second marking is near the center of 27 and 28 centimeter. So each division is 1 mm. 27 centimeter, after that 5 division. So 27.5 centimeter. 27 again half centimeter. So 27.5 centimeter. Another equivalent value 275 mm. Other equivalent value 0.275 meter. Another sample 320 mm plus 2 division, that means 2 mm. So 322 mm or other equivalent 32.2 centimeter or other equivalent 0.322 meter. This side we have millimeter scale, other side we have inch scale. Every 1 inch you have 16 division. You see here equally 16 division. This is 0. First division 116, 216, 316, 416, 516, 616, 716, 816, 916, 1016, 1116, 1216, 1316, 1416, 1516, 1616. That is last one 16 is equal to 0. Remember this one. We are using same method to find out the inch length. We are using same format. Our actual marking is here. The second division. Actual this one for 1 inch enlarged scale. 1 inch we are dividing 16 division. So our measurement marking in second division. So we want to find out actual measurement. So first one 1 by 16, second line 2 by 16. total number of division 16. So our marking is in second. So 2 by 16. 2 by 16. We can short this one. 1, 2, 2. 8 into 2, 16. So we short 2 by 16 to 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So as per our measurement tape, 61 inch. This measurement 1 by 8 inch. Total 61 1 by 8 inch. Our second inch measurement up to here 28 inch from the center our marking. We want to find out exact inch measurement. So leave the 28 inch. Our marking is which line? Total division 16. Our mark is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 number of division 16. So 8 by 16. 8 by 16. We can short this one 188 28 16. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. 28 inch 1 by 2 inch. So 28 and a half inches. That is the exact measurement. Our third example, this one, our marking, actual marking is here. We want to find out actual measurement. So on total number of division 16, our mark is here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12th division, total number of division 16. 12 by 16. We can short this one. 3 into 4 12. 4 into 4 16. 3 by 4. So 56 3 by 4 inches. 56 3/4 inches. That is this exactly measurement point. Our last example, this one, our mark is here. Just you want to find out the actual length in inches. So division, total division 16. Our mark is 15th line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 by 16. We cannot short this one. So 43 inch 15 by 43 15 by 16 inches. That is the exact measurement in inches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.